Alright guys, I am opening my second unit now. Well, this one's a lot larger. It's not full, but should be enough here to make my money back. This feels empty. And it's just got some more belts. Some tools. Sold that before. What is all this? I bet this whole unit's just gonna have all kinds of tools. Some VHS. Trunk mostly looks empty. A bunch of tires. Space Maker dryer. That thing is vintage. And that washing machine, which I thought I might keep, is gonna be junk, most likely. Thankfully, it's pretty tiny. It will fit in my car. Couple of old ladders. Empty. Another heavy-duty dolly. I saw this in the photos. I was hoping to be gas powered, but it looks just like electric. Pretty light. I don't see any marks on this. This kind of looks like a VCR player. Motorcycle helmet. That's pretty cool. This looks just like fabric. Potentially new. This is an old Grubhub bag here. I bet it's just clothes. It feels like clothing. Some blanket. Hey, look, an old HP. This says 2005. Yeah, it's definitely old. HP Mini. Rock collection. Couple Beanie Babies. What is this? Some weird art. Hey, this whole thing is filled with Beanie Babies. Hell yeah. These could have some value. Not a ton of value, but if I can sell these for $5 a piece, that'd be nice. All right, fingers crossed that this one is all Beanie Babies. Here's a heavy backpack. What is this, perfume? Yeah, looks like old perfume.